Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap Cherry Creek, local and long-distance movers near me. Suppose you're moving to Cherry Creek, Colorado from within the city or another nearby city in Colorado. Consider letting a reputable local moving company help you with your moving needs. Local movers are more familiar with the city, which affects productivity and our schedule. Our professional Colorado movers will ensure you have a stress-free move. Cherry Creek Local TM Movers is the best choice for your local move. Instead of going through the stress with the rigors of moving through the city and getting your belongings to your new home without damage, let Cherry Creek Local 3 Movers help you move your belongings. With decades of experience and a team with the best personnel for all your heavy lifting, we can help you relieve the stress of moving by doing the heavy work. With our Colorado movers, we guarantee a successful move. Cherry Creek Long Distance 3 Movers are years ahead of other movers in Cherry Creek, Colorado, with decades of experience, mixed with innovative moving ideas which have made long-distance moves more seamless and prevented damage. It could be best to let Cherry Creek Long Distance 3 Movers help the move. The long-distance team will also provide the vehicles for the move and double-wrap fragile items to prevent damage. Allow our expert long-distance Cherry Creek, Colorado movers to help you with your move. We guarantee success. With safety measures and moving storage for location where it is impossible to complete the move within a day, we will deliver your belongings in the best conditions. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Cherry Creek moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.